Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
His Eminence Dr. Eberechukwu Oji, the Eze Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom in Abia State, has vowed to foster a strong sense of belonging and connection among Aro sons and daughters both at home and abroad. The monarch, who pledged to be a servant leader, said he will leverage the combined power of unity and teamwork ingrained in Arochukwu culture and tradition to reposition the kingdom in the Committee of Traditional Institutions in the country. The monarch made these promises at the grand finale of a glamorous four-day event held recently in the kingdom to celebrate his formal ascension to the revered throne of his forebears.
For 4 days in July, the people of Arochukwu Kingdom in Arochukwu local government area of Abia State hosted friends, Igbo, and other well-wishers from across the country as the kingdom formally and publicly crowned His Eminence Dr. Eberechukwu Oji as the 9th Eze Aro of the ancient Igbo kingdom, renowned world over for its rich history and cultural heritage. The atmosphere was electric with celebration as the people came out in their numbers, adorned in colourful traditional attires to celebrate the significant milestone in the history of Arochukwu Kingdom. The celebrations were a spectacular showcase of Arochukwu's unique culture and traditions, from captivating traditional dances to vibrant displays of local artistry. The community spirit was on full display. Already traditionally crowned and given his staff of office in January this year, the young and vibrant monarch is not only a custodian of tradition, but also an expert with a proven track record of excellent leadership in the corporate world. An oil and gas expert, he is the immediate past managing director of ND Western Oil and Gas Company. Since taking over in January, he has demonstrated an uncommon will in promoting the collective identity of the people and fostering collaboration with authorities to ensure the kingdom progresses and peace is enthroned across its 19 towns.
As you see today, we have a young, vibrant, enterprising, educated, influential, all of that, all in one package, you know, as a Eze Aro. So everybody, you know, we're all excited. I am excited. I don't live here. I came all the way from Texas, Houston, Texas, for this occasion. So that's how much it means to me.
Eze is an outspoken person, intelligent and very vibrant. We thank God for having a very intelligent Eze Aro.
He's my brother in Christ, a pastor, and he's a good man. I know he's going to take charge of everything. God will help him to do that, and I'm excited. Being somebody who preaches the gospel and somebody who understands administration at the highest echelon, I'm convinced that having had some interactions with him for some time and having seen what he is going to do, I believe that he's the right person at the right time.
Governor Alex Oti of Abia State, who was host governor at the celebrations, described the monarch as a fitting choice. He noted that the new traditional ruler aligns with the people's demands and yearnings and expressed confidence that the monarch would drive change in the socio-economic and traditional landscape of the kingdom.
Gone are the days where people choose the worst rather than the best as leaders. I want to say without any fear of contradiction that our people made the best choice. From what I've seen, from what I have read, from what I have heard about the Eze Aro the 9th, he is the best in his class. He is the type of leader that every society should aim to have. A leader that will invest in the community rather than stealing from the community.
The gathering also brought together traditional rulers from all over the country who came to experience the unique traditions of the foremost Igbo kingdom. Their presence underscored the significance of the event and highlighted the history of the kingdom and its pride of place in the traditional landscape in Nigeria.
About our friend who is coronating today, I think he is the person that's supposed to be this king in Arochukwu kingdom. And today is a wonderful day. We are all happy that we are getting something or somebody like him in the system.
For the Arochukwu kingdom, it's a big plus. For them to have been able to identify a man of many colors, a man that has gone far and wide, enlightened, well-read, it will add many opportunities for the Arochukwu kingdom.
I'm here to rejoice with His Royal Majesty Eze Aro of the Aro kingdom, and I wish him all the best, and we'll continue to support him and collaborate with him.
I think he's very credible and very good. Help to develop the Aro kingdom, Aro dynasty, the whole of Igbo land, and Nigeria in general.
The leadership of the Redeemed Christian Church of God was also present to extend the blessings of General Overseer Pastor Enoch Adeboye on the kingdom and its monarch. In his speech, His Eminence Dr. Eberechukwu Oji reiterated his unwavering stance on the unity of the kingdom. He called on the federal government to imbibe the principles of true federalism and swiftly consider the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the interest of peace and unity in the country.
Let us build a Nigeria where every ethnic group, including the Igbos, can thrive and contribute to a truly united, progressive, and sustainable nationhood. I seize this opportunity to lend my voice to the concerted calls on His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the release of our son, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
The 4-day festivities that started Thursday, July 25th, with an interdenominational service at Agri Memorial Primary School, Ibom Village, were rounded off on Sunday, July 28th, with a Thanksgiving service at Redeemed Christian Church of God, Arochukwu. It was marked by a palpable sense of optimism and unity among the people. His Eminence's ascension to the throne is not just a celebration of tradition, but the restoration of hope for the future of Arochukwu kingdom. The people say the new king is a light that has come to continue from where his phenomenal grandfather, Mazi Kanu Oji, left off in his unbroken 73 years of reign in the kingdom.
Inside the Niger Delta,